see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I can still remember the first time that we kissed. Feeling
Gising na si Kuya. Ginising siya ni Sat. Did you wake him up? Huh? Oh, Zachary. Have you noticed anything, yeah? Parang ang lulungkot nila. Hi guys, hapon na. Mag-aalas 2 na. Hindi ko pa nagawa yung mga dapat kong gawin kasi inasikaso kong hanapin yung mga damit ng mga bata para sa photoshoot namin. Kasi every year ko itong ginagawa. 10 years ko na itong ginagawa. So, ayan. Prinansya ko yung mga damit nila. Ano? Eh, nakapag-edit ako ng kalahati para mamayang gabi. Yung isa na-upload na. So, nag-edit ako after nung ma-upload yun. Ano yan? Fix your hair, please. And etong damit ko pala, galing to kay Gifts Ahoy. Thank you. So, eto yung isusot natin today sa photoshoot namin dito sa Christmas tree. Ayan. May tiyan nga lang tayo. Ready na yung boys. Diyan nag-shave siya. And alis sila mamaya. Come on. Eto po pala, ayusin ko yung buhok niya. Pero kayo naka-white and sila naka-black.
going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left.
Hey, baby! Tama na! Ba't na?
Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh.
Okay, naayusan ko na si Holly. Mag-photoshoot muna kayo dito. Time-lapse ko kayo dito sa may mesa. Ayan yung setup natin, guys. Ito. Ayan.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed. Feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel.
Put that down, Holly. Take it off.
Come on, baby. Oh, wait, stop pulling your shorts. It's alright.
Lay it down, Rick, come on.
Zach, come
That's
on.
silly. Zach.
Changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us. Chased happiness, ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been way too long, I'm going
Put your hands in the pocket. Pocket, just like teacher. Sharon, yeah. Yeah. She's already did. She's been doing it. Okay, sorry. What's that?
Chased happiness ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere. That's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim.
What you doing, Mark?
Come on.
Getting cool in summer.
See?
Quick, hurry up.
Of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been away too long, I'm going home. Oh, sweet memories of a town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Sweet memories of the town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on.
Very small. She's a
Okay.
midget.
It's not. Come on, do it properly.
She's a midget.
Okay, Baba, you look so pretty, Baba.
Midget.
Oh, wow. I like that, Baba. Yeah. Zachary, you always annoy her. Come on. Okay, come on so I can position the camera. Okay, Zach, smile, be cool, please. 1, 2, 3. Stay, more, do something. Oh, see, look at Holly, do something. You too. Do something.
I did something.
Zachary, do something like, be cool, be cool. Like,
do this.
come on.
Do this.
Okay, 1, 2, Baba. Pose,
Hold your
Baba.
hands, stay dry.
Here we standing on our own, on the beaten track. We lost ourselves and wondering which way to go. Can you tell me what to do? 'Cause I can't leave without you. No reason to deny that we've gotta try again. Can we make it to the other side? While we figure out this life, you will learn how to love again. I promise and I know that.
Yeah, okay.
Charlie, you don't like that, you gotta sort of sit up. Try to put your arm up.
Yeah, just like, yes, that's
Sit
right.
down like that.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Let me see this.
Oh, hurry up.
That's right.
Okay, yeah. 1, don't move. Okay, 1, Baba, with your hands, put it down, it's alright.
Nah,
Do something.
put it on the side. On
Yeah.
the side. You put the top down.
Yeah, like that. Yes.
Like that.
No, it's alright, like
that.
that. Yeah, like this, Baba. Open, yeah, like that. Like that. Alright, 1, 2. See that?
Give it a bit of shake. Turn up there.
Too much. Yeah, don't do
Alright, quick,
1,
quick.
2, 3. Ooh, you look uncle there.
That's alright, just get
Go,
heavy.
go, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Holly, look.
Oh, my arm. Print.
Alright,
Right, ready? Set. Smile.
smile, smile.
Smile.
1 more.
There you go.
Stay there, stay there. Okay.
So cute.
Smile. Don't go, smile, just smile. That's so cute. Okay, stay there. One more, just 1 more.
Hurry up. Open it up. Smile.
Just, honey, I can see you.
Quick.
It's sleeping.
Okay.
Go ahead.
When middle of the road. It's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine, I minded my own business till the day you took me home. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again. Well, I thought I knew what life was all about. That song had already been sung. I was going on, still minding my own business. Never knew that life had just begun. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again. I wanna see your face again, oh let me see your face again. I'm far from being satisfied yet. I have to see your face again, oh let me see your face again, and take me to the place we first met. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again. Never will I be the same again.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day.